Optimism, a guided visualization. Begin by settling into a comfortable position. Let your eyes close gently and bring your awareness inward. Feel your body soften with each breath. Inhale slowly and exhale completely. Allow the surface beneath you to support your full weight. There is nothing you need to do right now except be. As you continue to breathe, imagine a soft golden light forming above the crown of your head. With each breath in, this light grows warmer, brighter. It carries a gentle humming energy, quiet but powerful. This is the energy of optimism, of possibilities unfolding. With your next breath, see this golden light pour gently over the top of your head, like warm sunlight on a spring morning. It flows down over your forehead, softening your eyes, relaxing your jaw, lifting the corners of your mouth into a subtle, effortless smile. Let the light move down your neck and across your shoulders, melting tension, opening space. It trickles down your arms, through your hands and fingers, filling them with warmth and ease. Now, feel it spreading throughout your chest, expanding your breath, your heart, your inner space. Your chest glows with golden light. With every breath, that glow expands outward, pulsing gently, like the beat of your own heart. Breathe into this light. Let it carry you. In this glowing space, begin to sense the future opening before you, not as a list of things to plan, but as a field of infinite potential. See it stretching wide, like a sunlit meadow after the rain. The air is crisp. The scent of new blossoms hangs gently all around. There's a sense of ease, of goodness, rising from the earth itself. Each step you take through this field is guided by quiet certainty. You don't need to rush. You don't need to search. You are simply walking through a future that is unfolding with grace. Visualize a moment in your future, one where things have turned out beautifully. You don't need to know how you got there. Just feel it. What does it look like? Where are you? Who is with you? Let the scene come alive. Feel the textures, the softness of clothing, the warmth of sun on your skin, the ease in your breath. Hear the sounds, laughter, bird song, the quiet hum of a peaceful life. Sense the emotions, calm, joy, trust, fulfillment. Let them rise naturally and flow through your body. This vision is not a dream. It is a spiritual seed planted by your own heart and mind. It is being sown in the field of creation. With each breath, you nourish this vision. Each breath is an act of trust. Each breath says, it is already on its way. In the silence of your mind, repeat the following 3 times, either silently or aloud. I walk in light. I walk in trust. I walk in the world I am creating. I walk in light. I walk in trust. I walk in the world I am creating. I walk in light. I walk in trust. I walk in the world I am creating. Feel these words echo through your body, lighting up the space within and around you. And know, your thoughts are not only inner whispers. They are ripples in a vast ocean, seen, felt, and echoed through through the spiritual fabric of the universe. With every positive image you hold, you weave a thread into the tapestry of reality. Take a few more breaths in this space of creation. Let it settle into you. Let it become part of you. When you are ready, begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your wrists and ankles. Slowly roll your shoulders. And when it feels right, flutter your eyes open. Carry this golden glow with you. Let it color your day. Because when you think good, it truly will be good.